Hello and welcome to Carrot Town Garage. This is our video review of our 1981 Chevrolet Corvette C3. She's finished in white, one of only 6,387 cars built that year in white. She's got the Ecla stripe kit, which is painted on the stripes here. They're painted, they're not adhesive. This car's the mutts. Do you know, I know I say that a lot, but driving this car, yeah, it's cool. You know, nobody has a grey, matte grey Corvette. If you're going to drive a Corvette, you'll want to stand out. Okay, you look like Face from the A-Team, it's that kind of era, but it's just cool, isn't it? You know, the wheels, I wasn't sure. I even ordered a set of original Corvette wheels to go on there, but I love these wheels. They just suit the car. The whole look, the whole package, the white letter tyres, everything works on this car. The exhausts out the back work. It sounds awesome as well. Drives brilliantly. God, it really does drive ever so well. I don't actually want anybody to buy this one. I just want to drive this one around for a while and just cruise, because everybody just points and just gets their cameras out and takes pictures everywhere you go. Not just because it just stands out, doesn't it? And it's kind of cool. Obviously she's fitted with the 5.7 litre 350 cubic inch Chevy V8, fitted in everything. She's got the 3-speed auto box in there as well. The radio, I think, is the original radio with the 8-track, and it's got the digital LCD display, and it works. The radio works. Yeah, I know, unbelievable. From that era to have the radio that actually works, really a great feature, a really great feature. Anyway, look, I'm going to stop waffling because this is what I do. I'm very good at waffling, for those people who know me. We're going to have a look around the car. I'll do a walk around and we can see exactly what the car looks like. So here we are, the 1981 Chevrolet Corvette C3. Starting on the front wing here, all really lovely. It's nice, this car, it's been well looked after. Front wheel there, spot on. She's just sailed through an MOT because this requires an MOT safety test up until next year when she's 40 years old, and then she will be MOT exempt and road tax exempt. I'm trying to do this before it starts raining. Again, no marks or anything. She did have a rack on the back here. The holes are in there for the rack. I'm going to try and see if I can find one on the internet, because that'd be quite cool to put that back on there. No, she didn't come with it. I love the graphics, just love them. Again, there's no marks or anything. I'm not having to point anything out because there isn't anything on here. Rear wheel there. I think she's got couple of little stone chips just on the front. We'll get those touched in, but I mean they're minor, and a little tiny bit of marks on the graphics there. Again, we can get those touched in. It'll just finish her off, those will. And we'll come around, have a look inside. Seating and everything's really clean. Look at that, lovely. It's covered 59,645 miles. I actually, do you know what? I wouldn't be surprised looking at this car if that was original, because everything in here is, you know, it really is highly original. And look at the carpets and things. I think because she's a little bit special, somebody's taken a lot of care of her over the years. There's the radio. Look at that. It's just so cool. Look at that. And then your 8-track goes in the bottom there. I need to buy some 8-tracks. Another thing I quite like as well, people go, oh no, I don't like that. That's just the patina from the guy who's owned the car, where his arm's been on the windowsill, on the window ledge. I just, you know, it's little things. You could paint over it if you wanted to in the vinyl colouring to make it match, but that's part of the history of the car, you know. She's all really clean in here, as you can see. There's no rust or anything in there. She's really nice. The chassis and everything is absolutely lovely underneath. come around to the passenger side, and I tell you what, while we're here, we'll open the bonnet. We are, same story in the passenger side. Really clean. And we'll have a look under the bonnet. Again, under here, all original, should not be messed around with. I think the only thing that's changed is the chrome cover on top of the air filter. The original air conditioning unit is installed in there, and it doesn't work as far as I'm aware. Relatively new vacuum units on the headlights. Headlights will work fine. I mean, we do go through the cars mechanically and check them, make sure that they're all okay. We are in the process of opening up an office in New York, so we can import the cars direct from our office there. Okay, let's do the important bit. Let's start her up. And there we have it. That's our video review of our 1981 Chevrolet Corvette C3. Should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart. Our website is www.carrotttowngarage.co.uk. Please check us out because we do have a cool website. Lots of cool stuff going on there. We have a car club as well, which you can be part of. We have cars for sale. We have merchandise. Shameless plug here. Just got our new hats in, which I think these are absolutely awesome. You can order all the merchandise through our website. Once we get out of this COVID thing, we have at the garage and the workshop, we have a coffee bar in there with a scale extric track and everything, so you can come hang out, have a coffee, have a go at the scale extric. It's just a place to kind of come and hang out on a weekend. We want people to come. We do. Just come and say hello, see what we're up to. We've always got lots of interesting cars in there. But like I said, once we get out of this COVID thing, who knows? Well, how long it's going to be? At least we're not locked down again at the moment. And enough about that. I'm not going to go into the COVID thing. We could be here all day because that's all everybody talks about at the moment. So anyway, like us on YouTube. Give us one of those. We like these are good on YouTube. Also follow us on Instagram because I put all the pictures of the cars and cars that are in the workshop and having stuff done on Instagram. So follow us on Instagram and on Facebook, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks ever so much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.